going on? I'm Chef Sal. We're here in Richmond, Virginia today in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a calzone the Sicilian way. We're going to deep fry one. It's out of this world. Stay tuned. I'm also here with some special guests. Papa Sal.
Ehi, ma io voglio sapere quanto si mangia qua.
Si mangia quando ti dice si mangia.
Va bene.
Vabbè. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. Get some dough. I don't know how you're gonna make it, just make it. Alright, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. You don't have to do pepperoni. A real calzone is just mozzarella and ricotta. Okay, here we go. Add some more cheese. We're gonna flip it. Alright, it's like a moon, baby. That's what they call it, a calzone. Alright, we're gonna do a little trick real quick. Dot it up, boom. That seals it. It's a seal, sealing the deal, baby. Roll it up. See that little trick? Alright, I got my son with me, Theo. You like that, Theo?
Yeah.
Alright, great. Alright, here we go now. We're gonna put it in the fryer. Alright guys, 3 minutes, right? How many minutes? 3 minutes?
Yes, 2 minutes.
3 minutes, my son said 3 minutes. Alright, boom. Double basket. So it cooks evenly. What does that look like, Theo?
A pizza.
No, it's not a pizza.
It's
It's a calzone. Alright, it's a calzone. We got the calzone. Alright, so you got that beautiful golden brown color to it. That's exactly what we're looking for. Perfect. We're gonna make this baby look beautiful. Alright, dress it up. Alright, presentation is everything, baby. Alright guys, and there you go. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you liked that last video I did with my Sicilian mother making the Sicilian pastina cheese ball soup, everyone went crazy over. Follow us, we got more coming. Mom and I will be doing a video every week on more Sicilian dishes. Hope to see y'all soon. Love y'all. Take care.